What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. We are now at the Hoggone University, and I got my student here, and I want to introduce him to you. So say your name, man. Let the people know where you from, bro.
My name Brandon Davenport from Dumas Arkansas. I'm down here with my boy Lil Joe taking his welding courses and stuff. The best instructor it is, man. Y'all better come on, get in.
I appreciate it, man. So tell me, so in this little time, man, that you've been welding so far, man. So tell the people, man, how much you got out of it so far in your, because right now we right at what, 14, 15 hours, man. So we just getting started. And how much do you feel you done learned in this time period?
I learned a lot, man. It don't been a month, bro. I learned a lot. Look, first I ain't know how to even put the helmet on. I ain't know how to put no wheel equipment on. I ain't know how to do none of this. I ain't know how to put a helmet on. I ain't know about this hat, nothing. Besides all that, I ain't know nothing.
So you was completely green, you know what I mean?
Greener than it is.
So yesterday you was able to take a weld test. So tell us about this weld test yesterday, man, that you took.
I went down to Holland. Listen, I ain't never weld before in my life. I just started in January. It's February right now. I passed the test by first try. Down in Holland.
You heard what he said, though.
I'm starting out $20 an hour.
You heard what he said, though.
First try. I ain't never weld before in my life.
You heard what he said. I can't make it up.
I've been here about a month, straight 14 hours, and I passed the test by first try.
And we still got plenty of time. And my guy actually invested in the $1,000 course to learn MIG and flux core welding in 3 to 4 positions and fabrication. Look, we only 15 basically hours into it. He already got a job making $20 an hour, man. It's life changing. But you got to be able to be willing to invest. You got to be willing to do the work. You got to be able to come here and put it in. But the main thing is I try to give you goals, and I try to give you a routine and a goal to shoot for, so that way you'll be able to get to different processes at one time. So just like we was doing when we got to the horizontal, we did the horizontal and the vertical at the same time. You know, we was working on the flat and tying in at the same time. So the goal is to give a person as much information they can in the smallest time. So you would say in this little piece of time, though, you done got something that's really gonna help you out, man?
Oh yeah, life changing experience, man. All you gotta do is, like you said, just invest in yourself, man. He ain't work with you, man. You just need some help. He'll work with you.
Most definitely.
We ain't just saying you gotta drop a whole down payment off nothing.
Exactly.
Plans and just put your trust in the man, man. He got you, man. Trust me.
Most definitely, man.
Y'all need to be with right here. I'm trying to tell you. Like you say, you don't need all that degree and stuff. Guys that got a degree ain't got no welding or nothing. I only did a month and I'm already in the welding.
He already into it, finna get it back.
The same guy that do 2 years down there, Votex and all that stuff, we starting out the same way, not just been doing it for a month.
Now, you hear what he said? He got a guy, just got a Votex, he do 2 years. He been in here learning independently. Both of them getting started off the same amount of money, passing the same test. So it's all about the skills. It ain't about the paper. I try to tell people. People get caught, man, I want to put this paper on my wall. I said, do you want the paper or do you want the skill? Which one you want? Which one did they ask you for when you went there?
They just said, do I know how to do it?
They want the skill, didn't they?
Come and do it. If you know how to do it, we're going to have it. Same thing they going to ask me, man. They graduate from college, we're going to ask me the same thing. Get up here and hit that line up. You know how to do it, you have it.
So it's all about the skill set, man. So don't get caught up in the paper, man. We teaching the skills at Hoggone University, man. We appreciate you for checking in with us, bro. Hoggone, man.